which is related to obviously Odoo, because I'm an Odoo consultant. But under the hood of Odoo, I have created some LLM integration also, and I prepare one RAG application. I'm not go through in detail about what is RAG application, how it works. So this will be checked later also. You can give your inputs on the comment of the video, and then later if required I will explain that part also. But this is my Odoo instance. You can see I have various accounting apps I have installed over there, and few demo are created over there. Beside the Vector DB, I have used the Postgres Vector DB itself, where I just created an invoice table which is contain the invoice data reference, because I am creating a embedding part with respect of invoice only, with respect of vendor or customer, whatever is loading. I'm loading the invoice data with the vector DB and try to search various operations inside that. So for that, I have a specific vector sync, and even the Odoo connection I use as XML RPC, where I just fetch the invoice from the Odoo database directly and sync it with the vector DB itself. For LLM, I have used local Ollama, which is installed in my machine, and Grok for faster. OpenAI also there, but I am not using that, because this two platform is enough for me to connect with the LLM and prepare the related part. So this is my app where I just implement a Python streamline application with using the vector DB integration, and I just putting my embedding model over here, and you will see that I'm connecting with the config.in file, which is actually a configuration parameters what I used. I have added the Odoo itself as a Docker installation, where I just use the PG vector connectivity part, and few are the specific API key and all those things part, but that is related to the configuration. We can add it the secret part. So that's it. I just need to run it and quickly show to you how it works, and accordingly we can proceed further. So I'm just running my Streamline, and you will see this app is actually loading the option of the Ollama and even the whatever. I'm using the basic embedded text model. Over here, I just already loading a particular filter for the particular customer as a default case, where it will give me the balance of that particular part, the invoice. This button will be used for refresh the vector specific part. If any new invoice is created within the Odoo, it will insert or update automatically the residual amount. And now here I just ask the detail that what tell me about I want to know about let's say the example, I can open the Odoo itself, where we have a various invoice, and I can choose any partner. Like I just use Kim, this partner I'm just using for a reference, and I just put this as a reference, and just typing the instruction in natural language. So this particular RAG application will run automatically. First it will try for the local, but if it is not respond, then automatically it will switch to a Grok API, where it will put the response accordingly, and you will see the response soon after taking the specific time it will take. And you will see that it will take some time, because it has to be there. But even if it is timeout, then we have a multiple try that it will take, and now you will see it give me all the detail about the Kim Standard outstanding, about the how many invoice it has, how many credit note itself, and that's it. I can put share me detail about all invoices. So the RAG application will run for all the invoices records, and accordingly it will respond me all the invoices which I am using in my record set. However, obviously there are still improvement is possible, because I'm not using any kind of caching or any kind of faster specific tool which will improve the performance of this application, right? Because we need to use it. If the database size is much high, record size is high, we need to consider those all parameters. So you will see it will display everything. So that's it. So this is the RAG application where I can connect any Odoo version. It can be 15, 16, 17, 18, whatever version I can connect. This is the small example which cover account move model. I can integrate it with any Odoo model and the specific case for that. So I welcome more use cases which I can implement it over here. I have already implemented few one, like running the Tour automatically through LLM, but it is under progress. So later maybe I will show the demo for that. So that's it. Thank you.